Hey guys, Scott here with SJC Fit. Today's video, it is Stretch Monday. As some of you might have known if you've checked out my blog on sjcfit.com, I, in the past 4 or 5 months, had a back surgery due to a disc herniation, 2 actually. Pretty large ones that required a pretty invasive surgery, and I was actually out of working out for about 7 weeks, 7 or 8 weeks. And then prior to that, I wasn't in the gym for a couple months. So getting back into it was difficult. I dealt with a lot of different types of leg pain. So if any of you have ever had any kind of sciatic pain, you'll know what I'm talking about. So I kind of wanted in this video to talk about some of the stretches I did that really helped with alleviating some of that tension in my back leg and kind of releasing some of that stress and pain that started traveling down my leg, initializing obviously from my back. So long story short, all you really need to do this stretch is a chair, anything that is about knee or hip height. This one's a little bit lower, but I'm just going to use it for example. It should work. So what you're going to do in this video, you're going to stand basically right next to your chair. You're going to start with whichever leg is bothering you as far as the sciatic pain goes. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and bring your leg up on the chair just like this. So then from here, what you're going to do is gently bringing yourself down. You're going to go ahead and lay that entire lower part of your leg, right here, your shin, down onto this bench. So it shouldn't be up like this, and it shouldn't be hanging off the bench too low. So what you'll be doing, as long as your back is completely straight, you don't want to be leaning forward into this stretch. Try to keep your chest as big as you can and rest and just totally relax this leg. And so what you'll start feeling is this nice pull on the back part of your leg. It'll be getting some of your IT band, it'll be getting a little bit of your hamstring, even your adductors. So as you're doing this, if this bench were a little bit higher, you would be able to slowly lower yourself while this leg stays in place. So I'm going to kind of modify this and scoot my leg back here so I can get a little lower. So what you'll be doing is the lower your hips get, the more tension and release that you're going to be feeling in that lower part or that side of your leg. So basically what you'll be doing is just sitting here for at least 5 to 10 seconds. And as you are proceeding into going a little bit deeper, go ahead and inhale. And as you exhale, that's when you're going to sit in a little bit deeper. And again, remember, keep that chest forward or not forward, keep it up. So as you're going into the stretch, you'll sit into it a little lower, and you really start to feel this on the side of your leg. It's an absolutely wonderful stretch, especially if you have sciatic pain or any kind of sciatic issues. This is wonderful to getting that released and some of that tension off your leg. So the same thing applies with your right leg. If that's the side that you're having issues with, you can do the same thing with that leg. There's obviously a lot of different other different options to do as far as stretching this IT band, but this one I think worked the most. It definitely helped a lot because I know with that sciatic pain, it gets to a point where you just can't do anything about it, and it's probably the most agonizing pain that you can ever experience. I know from experience. So with that, that's just one of my tips for the day for Stretch Monday. Kind of wanted to cover that because I know a lot of people out there who have back issues and they think that because of their back issues, they're not ever able to work out. They'll be in constant pain for the rest of their life. I get that it is difficult to get through, but through stretching, Pilates, physical therapy, and utilizing stretches like this that can be done at the comfort of your own home, then you'll be right on track to getting back into the shape that you were at one point. So hope that helps, and we will see you later, all right? So you have a good night, and we'll see you. Bye-bye.